All right, guys. No casualties last night. It is 21st, 7:47 a.m. What's the temperature? 55 degrees. So we got the Guinea, the Guinea turkey chicks. Silky's naked necks. And I did have Quail. I think I got all the Quail out. The Quail are going to a new home today. And guess what I forgot, you guys? Oh, there it is. Right there. There she is. She's right there. So anyway, that Quail has a the Quail has that deficiency, so she has that neck going on. I don't know if you saw my short. Let me see if I can bring her out. There she is. See her neck? Yeah. See her neck? So vitamin E deficiency, not keeping that, feeding that to the dogs. Forgot to take her out yesterday, so she's still eating. And yeah, looking, not gonna keep that one at all. Just gonna feed her to the dogs. She's gonna run around till they catch her, I guess. But I'm not gonna